Prince Charles may never forgive Harry as future king, still fuming at interview damage. Prince Charles and Prince Harry have still not resolved their differences, according to royal sources who gave insight into why the Prince of Wales remains furious with his son. Prince Charles will be freezing Prince Harry out of his future plans for the monarchy, royal sources have claimed. The Prince of Wales and the Duke of Sussex have yet to reconcile after the damage caused by Harry and Meghan Markle's Oprah Winfrey interview. Us Weekly correspondent Christina Garibaldi explained what the state of their relationship was currently like. She told viewers, Prince Harry is still on the outs with his family. A source tells us that Prince Harry and Prince Charles didn't resolve their differences when he returned to the UK. They barely communicated. There definitely continues to be a huge wedge between the two following his tell-all interview with wife Meghan Markle. In fact, a source tells Us Weekly that Prince Charles may never forgive Harry for dragging his family name through the mud despite William's attempts to persuade him to move on. Ms. Garibaldi continued, an insider adds that Charles is still fuming about Harry throwing shade at him and the royal family in the big interview and won't let it drop. In fact, Charles is working towards a new slimmed-down monarchy and is freezing Harry out. With a source telling us that after the damage Harry has caused the family, he firmly believes that his son doesn't deserve the privilege of being a royal. As for William, the two did speak to one another when he was back in the UK for Prince Philip's funeral, so they did make some progress. The host added, however, a source does tell us they definitely haven't reached the stage where all is forgiven, nor have they buried the hatchet. The brothers were seen publicly speaking together following the funeral, with Harper's Bazaar reporting that it was very much a family-focused period of time. It broke the ice for future conversations, but outstanding issues have not been addressed at any great length. Ms. Garibaldi said, the family simply put their issues to one side to focus on what mattered. Harry revealed during the Oprah interview that his father had stopped taking his calls while he was abroad with Meghan in Canada. After confirming that they were now speaking, the Duke said, there's a lot to work through there, you know. I feel really let down because he's been through something similar. He knows what pain feels like, and Archie's his grandson. But, at the same time, of course, I will always love him, but there's a lot of hurt that's happened. I will continue to make it one of my priorities to try and heal that relationship. But they only know what they know, or what they're told. And I've tried to educate them through the process that I have been educated.